Hey guys, Ryan here, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get your Xbox wireless adapter and Xbox controller working on Linux. So when it comes to control support on Linux, then most controllers connected via a USB cable are going to work out the box. However, when it comes to connecting that same controller wirelessly using a USB adapter, that's when your mileage is going to vary. So for example, I've got an Xbox One controller and I've got the official Xbox wireless adapter. Now this particular setup works perfectly out the box on my living room gaming PC, which runs Bazzite. However, the exact same controller and adapter combination did not work when I tried it with Ubuntu. So in order for me to get this working, I need to install a driver for the wireless adapter and then add support for Microsoft's Game Input Protocol, and this is where the Xone project comes in. Now Xone itself is a Linux kernel driver and it supports Xbox One and Xbox Series accessories. So really, in other words, this is essentially what is the Linux equivalent of the Xbox controller driver that Windows typically installs automatically. However, before we install the Xone project, we do need to first install a couple of dependencies. Now on Ubuntu and Ubuntu based distributions, you can do this with a single terminal command. So let's boot up a terminal window and run the following command: sudo apt install git dkms build essentials linux headers cab extract curl libarchive tools. And once that's completed, we can now move on to installing the driver itself. So once that process is completed, we can now move on to installing the driver itself, which again, we can just do a couple of terminal commands. So the first thing we need to do is clone the Xone repository. And you can do it with this command here, which is git clone and then referencing the repository. Once that process is finished, we now need to change directory to the one we've just cloned, which we can do with cd and then Xone. Okay, and then finally to install the driver, it's a simple command of sudo make install. But once you're done, you should get something along the lines of installation is now finished, and it'll mention about the dongle firmware now being installed. At this point, all you need to do is just reboot your system. Okay, so after you've rebooted it, you want to plug in your Xbox wireless adapter. Okay, so that's plugged in, and now I'm just going to pick up my controller and press the pairing button. And that is paired instantly, so just to prove it's working, I'm going to move across to big picture mode. And as you can see, it's all working, and really that's it. The Xbox controller is now fully functional on Linux using the wireless adapter. Now, of course, if you do want to avoid manually installing any drivers, then you might want to consider using a gaming-focused Linux distribution such as Bazzite, which I mentioned before, which already has this installed support for Xbox wireless devices out of the box. In either case, I hope this video did help you today, and if it did, then please don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and then subscribe to this channel for more Linux, Windows, and gaming content. Thanks for watching today, and I'll catch you in the next one.